Hello everyone, it's Evelyn here with the latest crypto news. Today we'll be talking about Dogecoin and its increasing number of holders, despite recent setbacks in its price. Over the past 3 months, Dogecoin has gained 339,563 new holders, marking an increase of 7.57%. This is despite a 15% drop in its price over the same period, from $0.09215 on February 2nd to $0.07832 at present. Let's take a closer look at Dogecoin's current price. It has seen a decrease of 0.66% in the last 24 hours, 0.63% in the previous week, and 4.25% in the last month. Over the past 60 days, it has dropped by 2.71%. However, since the start of the year, Dogecoin has increased by 11.42%, compared to its price of $0.07029 on January 1, 2023. Despite new meme digital coins entering the crypto market, Dogecoin continues to hold its own. It currently has 4,824,266 unique addresses holding the cryptocurrency, up from 4,484,703 on February 2, 2023. That's all for today's update. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more crypto news.